I-master ninyo ang ministry ninyo. Araw-araw nandiyan kayo, i-master ninyo yan. Every ministry in the kingdom supposed to be like that. I-master ninyo yung ministry ninyo, binigay sa inyo. If you are given the music ministry, master your ministry. You're given the production ministry, master your ministry. Na walang masasaway sa iyo. That is the way our pride should go. Pride over what we are doing as excellent to the Father. Kayo, may mga pride ang iba sa inyo, mali naman na pride. Pride sa pagtatanggol ng kamalian ninyo, that is false pride. When you defend yourself and you are wrong, that's false pride. What's my pride? My pride is in being excellent. Yan, tamang pride yan. And many Filipinos don't have the right kind of pride. They defend poverty as though poverty is the source of their honor. You don't defend poverty. You hate it. Sabayan mo sila sa pagiging marumi nila, magagalit. Sinaway mo kay damak, masuko. Tama ba lang nga pride? Pag gisaway ka, gikorek ka, kay dili tamay mo ginahimo, bow your head and say, from now on, I will change this into what is pleasing to the Father. Dili kay masuko ka. Ang pride ninyo dapat mo transfer sa tama nga pride. If I visit you, you are proud of your place because it is excellent. Amen. You are proud to show me what you have because it is pleasing to the Father. Kana may tama nga pride. Para sa kuha, I'm proud for you to visit everything I do. I'm proud. Kamu po, di ba proud mo sa kuha? Amen. Maunang mali ninyo, kay proud lang mo sa kuha, dili mo proud sa inyong kaugalingon. That is the right kind of pride. When I let you do a work, do it excellently. When I visit you, you have the pride of showing me the excellence of your work that will please the Father. Amen. Kana may tama nga pride.